Imagine a world where algorithms replace artists, where lines of code morph into beautiful, mesmerizing art. What if we told you this world already exists? Today we delve into the extraordinary world of generative AI art. Hold on to your seats, this is going to be an electrifying journey. Art and technology have always been intertwined, their history a co-evolution. From cave paintings using rudimentary pigments through the Renaissance masters exploring oil paintings, all the way to the digital art of the 21st century. The advancements in technology has always shaped how art is produced. The concept of using machines to aid in creating art isn't new. It emerged alongside early computers in the 1950s and 60s. These primitive machines, as massive as rooms and as powerful as pocket calculators, were employed by artists and scientists who saw their potential for creating something new, something different. Known as algorithmic art, the pieces these early innovators created were often simple designs and shapes, geometrical and formulaic, as if offering a glimpse into the eternal logic of the computers themselves. It was the birth of a new medium, limited but promising. Fast forward to today, where the limiting factors of the past have vanished. We are in the era of generative AI art, and at the heart of this revolution is the concept of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. The dawn of GANs represents a paradigm shift, a transformation from artists using tools to create art, to tools creating art on their own. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its conception. The first AI programs were essentially rule-based systems, capable of following predefined patterns and instructions. Then came machine learning, where computers can learn patterns from data and make decisions or predictions. However, the true game changer in AI's creative potential was the introduction of deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which uses artificial neural networks with many layers, hence deep. These networks mimic the neural structure of the human brain, learning from experience and improving over time. The evolution of deep learning set the stage for the development of GANs, bringing us into the current era of AI art. From the humble beginnings of algorithmic art to the explosive potential of GANs, the journey has been an extraordinary one. But how do GANs work? What's the magic behind these AI artists? As we delve into the intricate mechanics of generative adversarial networks, or GANs, we find ourselves in the midst of a ceaseless dance, a contest, a conversation between two neural networks. They play an intriguing game resulting in the mesmerizing images we marvel at. First, there's the generator. Picture it as the apprentice, learning to replicate the artistic styles it sees. It starts with random noise, just a jumble of pixels and colors with no discernible pattern. This raw chaos is its canvas. Its goal? To create new images to look like the ones in its training data. Then, there's the discriminator, the critic, the connoisseur. It's been trained on the same dataset. Its role is to distinguish the real images from the fakes, the authentic from the artificial. The generator and the discriminator work together, each one improving from the feedback of the other. The generator strives to create art so compelling that even the discriminator can't distinguish it from the real ones. And the discriminator, in its quest for discernment, forces the generator to elevate its game. Over thousands, often millions of iterations, something extraordinary happens. The generator begins producing art that's not only indistinguishable from the original dataset, but also stunningly creative, going beyond simple replication and venturing into the realm of invention. And that's the beauty and magic of GANs. They have revolutionized how AI perceives and generates art. However, this incredible technology has also sparked some significant debates. But before we delve into that, let's pause and marvel at some of the most famous and infamous AI artworks. The first AI artwork to make headlines around the world was the Edmond de Bellamy. This AI-generated portrait, created by French art collective Obvious using GANs, fetched an astonishing $432,500 at the Christie's auction in 2018. But was this an homage to the power of AI, or just a clever marketing ploy? Opinions were divided. Since then, there have been numerous AI-generated pieces making waves in the art world. From the butcher's son, a haunting figure against a chaotic background, to Le Comte de Bellamy, a ghostly unfinished aristocrat. These artworks provoked strong reactions and deep reflection on the role and nature of AI in art. But the acclaim did not come without controversy. One major point of contention is authorship. Who is the artist here? The AI that produced the artwork, or the coders that programmed the AI? What about the creators of the original training dataset? Should they not also be credited for their contribution? Another controversy lies in the realm of ethics. Could AI, in its relentless quest for perfection and mimicry, encourage art plagiarism? After all, GAN's learning from existing art, so there's always the danger of them replicating protected works too closely, leading to copyright infringement issues. From auction houses to online debates, the influence of generative AI art is undeniable. And as we grapple with these legal and ethical questions, AI continues to shape the world of art in ways we're only beginning to understand. Let's explore how. Generative AI art isn't just making waves in auction houses and among art collectors. It's transforming the very essence of how we create, consume, and even comprehend art. It's bridging the gap between science and aesthetics, bringing about an unprecedented fusion of technology and creativity. The democratization of art is one such transformative change. With AI and machine learning technologies becoming increasingly accessible, creating captivating art is no longer confined to traditional artisans. With a few lines of code, anyone can generate unique, mesmerizing pieces of art. This opens up an entirely new avenue of expression for those who may not have been able to participate in the traditional art world. Further, we are witnessing the rise of virtual art galleries and exhibitions, where AI-generated art is put on display for the world to appreciate. These galleries are not bound by physical limitations, allowing for immersive and interactive art experiences that would be impossible in a traditional setting. And let's not forget the radical shift happening in art sales with blockchain technology. Crypto art, particularly NFTs or non-fungible tokens, has become a popular way to buy and sell digital art. It provides a decentralized, verifiable way to prove ownership of a unique digital item, including AI-generated art. This has not only expanded the art market but also challenged our understanding of value and ownership in the digital space. Take fashion, for instance. Designers are using generative AI to create new styles and trends, creating everything from psychedelic patterns to entire collections. The randomness of AI can help escape the trap of human bias, enabling truly novel designs that break the mold. Video game development is another industry where generative AI art has made a significant impact. Developers can use GANs to create realistic, unique environments, characters, and even in-game artwork, saving countless hours of manual work. Marketing and advertising too are not untouched by this revolution. Companies use AI-generated imagery for advertisements, product designs, and social media campaigns. These tools help produce creative content quickly, adapt to trends, and personalize advertising for individual consumers. And then there's the film and animation industry. AI is increasingly used to generate detailed, realistic backgrounds, special effects, and even entire characters. It's a tool that allows filmmakers to tell stories in ways that were previously impossible or prohibitively expensive. But what's truly fascinating about generative AI art is its potential. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible. So where do we go from here? What's the future of AI and art? As we've seen, generative AI art is already making a significant impact, but its future potential is staggering. The fusion of artificial intelligence and creativity heralds a new frontier, where art and technology are inseparable. Looking forward, we might see AI creating art that goes beyond our current understanding, breaking convention and exploring new dimensions. AI artists could develop their own unique styles and themes, venturing into territories that human minds have not yet tread. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will the complexity and depth of art it can produce. Future GANs could incorporate more advanced techniques, drawing from a wider range of styles, and even creating interactive art that responds to the viewer. The future might also see more integration with virtual and augmented reality. AI could create immersive, transformative art experiences, generating real-time evolving artworks that interact with the environment and the viewer. Perhaps one of the most exciting prospects is the idea of collaboration between human artists and AI. Rather than replacing human artists, AI can become a powerful tool, a partner in the creative process, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and sparking new ideas. Whether we're talking about generating revolutionary designs, opening up new dimensions of creativity, or even redefining what we consider art, the future of generative AI art is certainly promising and undoubtedly fascinating. In the end, is AI-generated art any less real because the artist is not human? Ponder on this as we conclude our exploration, and remember, the future of art is being written in lines of code.